Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today is Taco Tuesday, so I have a Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme Cravings Kit. The kit includes 4 12-inch flour tortillas, cheese sauce, 4 crunchy tostada shells, and taco seasoning. You have to add your own protein and toppings of your choice. And this makes 4 servings. So this is everything that came in the box. We have our flour tortillas, our tostadas, our taco seasoning mix, and also Velveeta cheese sauce. Okay guys, you also want to have shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, sour cream. I also have the Taco Bell mild sauce. You don't have to have that, it's optional. And I also have a pound of ground beef. In a heated pan, we're going to add our ground beef. All I'm going to do is break it up. I'm going to allow that to brown. Once your ground beef is done browning and cooked all the way through, you're going to turn off your heat, remove it from the pan, and drain it of all excess grease. Once you have drained it, return it back to your pan and put it on medium-low heat. We're going to add in 3/4 cup of water and also our taco seasoning mix. And all you want to do is mix it together well and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once your taco meat is done, you want to place it into a bowl and set it to the side. Now you can set your oven to 300 degrees. Okay guys, you want to have all your toppings ready. Now you want to take your tostadas and put them on a baking sheet, and we're going to place them in our oven at 300 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes until they are warm. Okay guys, after your tostadas come out of the oven, we're going to take a flour tortilla. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of our taco meat right to the center. Now we're going to take your tostada and we're going to take some cheese. And we're going to put it on top, and we're just going to spread it out. Now you're going to take the tostada and we're going to put it with the cheese facing down towards our taco meat, and you're going to place it right on top. Now you want to go ahead and get some sour cream. We're going to place that on top of our tostada and we're going to spread it out. Now you want to get some shredded lettuce, place it on top of our sour cream, and also some diced tomato. I'm going to put that right on top. Now we're going to take the bottom of our flour tortilla and we're going to fold it up. Then we're going to take the other side, fold it in. And you're just going to keep going around until it's all folded. Okay guys, so this is what it's going to look like when everything is folded in. So now we're going to get a large frying pan and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Okay guys, once your pan is heated up, we're going to take our flour tortilla and we're going to put the folded side down to the pan. And we're going to let that heat up for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Okay guys, and all you want to do is flip it over and let it get golden on the other side also. Okay guys, so here we have our Crunchwrap Supreme. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. Okay guys, so here is the Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell. Look how nice that came out. It looks so delicious. Look how pretty it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.